Hi, hello, howdy. Hello to everybody. And as first, I wish to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't want to mention any names here, but you know who I am talking about, who sent me over PayPal or coffee. I think that is enough information that helped me to get rid of a bill. But as if I didn't have enough problems, let me pull up an email. I got an email today from Wanhao. As if this was all my problem, you know? But the Sherry, so is her name, from Wanhao, sent me an email this morning. Hello, Don. Noted. Thank you. 2 pieces fan, $12. 1 new thermistor, $6. 1 piece D9 heating tube. Heating tube? I'm sure she doesn't mean the heat element, I hope. Another $6. Okay, the prices would be not too bad, but you know, then the best, $25 for shipping, for a total of $49. PayPal account, sales@wanhao3dprinter.com. Oh yes, oh yes. But she sent me pictures from Elements at first, with not only those 3 items listed, but also the flat cable and whatever. I deleted all of those. Sent her an email back. I do not need those. I only need the heat element, the thermistor, and 2 new fans, with cables and plugs already on them to install. All because of the fire of the heat element burning all of the cables there, and yes, there was an open fire. Unfortunately, I did not have my camera running, otherwise I would have more proof. But, yeah. $49. Wow, nice. But I asked Richard over at First Layer in Canada, I asked him over Facebook if he could check and tell me if those elements, the fans and the heat block and the thermistor, if they are 12 volt or 24 volt. He sent me a message back. They are 12 volt, I think. I hope he will check that for me to see exactly if that is 12 or 24 volt, because if that's only a 12 volt, well, I have a thermistor, a 40 watt heat element here. I already cut the cables down to the length that will be needed. Then all I have to do is just take this plug here, get the pins out, hopefully then be able to unsolder the pins and then solder these pins onto it. Then I'll have the heating element. This is, like I said, 40 watt. That's good enough for 300 temperature. Thermistor. I have a thermistor from a long time ago. This was a extra for my Wanhao i3, but this is a 100 ohm thermistor, and this is the type where you only have to screw this into the block, and you have your plug back here, socket, so that you only have to connect that up. That's something that I can use too. And for those two fans, $6, well, and then $25 for $25 though for shipping. No way, no way. Now go to eBay and find me two fans there. That might cost me €10 for both of them, and with free shipping. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you all for helping me out with that. I must say we do have a amazing community in the 3D. It's just too bad that we all live so far apart from everybody. Because I do think if we all lived in one town, that would be one hell of a town. Everybody helping everybody. Every neighbor knows everybody, every other neighbor. No bullshit going around. Or you walk down the street, everybody ignores you, you know. Just like here in the town where I'm living, sometimes you walk down the street, you look at somebody, that person will say hello to you, and you say hello back, you know, just walking by. But that is seldom. But yeah, like I said, if we all lived in one town or one city, I think we would need a city. A town would not be big enough for all of us. Yeah, but that would be one hell of a town. Only question is, where would be the town? Maybe for health reasons, Germany would be good, but I'm not sure. Maybe England or somewhere in the USA, that would be better. But if you have to go to a doctor, then you need your checkbook with you. If you go to a dentist, you need your checkbook with you. Here in Germany, the only thing you need is a yeah. Don't need any money. All you need is this card. And for people like me, I have this card too. Now, that means for medication, I do not have to pay anything anymore until the year's end. That's one positive thing for Germany, but yeah, €75 and yeah, here's the bill. Taxi, €75 and 56 cents. And because of the coffee and because of a few small donations, let's say, I have that money together. All I have to do is just wait for PayPal to transfer that over to my bank account, and then I can make a bank wire transfer and pay that bill. Oh, got a frog. The frog doesn't want to come out. But yeah, just a quick update. And as soon as everything is clear and my retirement and everything else is on my account, I do think I will go to eBay. I'm not sure. The PO poly plate that won't hold anything, I can take it off. My best results, what I had, my best results what I had was this blue tape. But I have to take a look in eBay and see if I can get some blue tape in this size and this width. Hardware store does not have this. Otherwise, I would go to the hardware store and buy this automatically. But I have always had my best results printing on that. And let me just take a look. I don't think you will believe this, but come baby, come. Thank you. Well, 8,911.1 meter. 8,911.1. And I would say that 6,000 of it, yeah, 6,000 of it is on blue tape. There was a build tack on it when I first got it, back in 2015, end of 2015. That build tack did not last long. I don't know why. But then I started using blue tape. Okay, once in a while the print stuck too good to the blue tape, and there was 1 or 2 stripes that came off with the print, but that was no problem. I had enough on the roll that I could change that. But yeah. Then I got the PO Poly in black. That was not good at all. I got the PO Poly in white. That was good. I could print with that, no problem at all. Had good prints coming off of it too. But, well, I'm not sure what happened here. Moving around, or I'm not sure. But, this PO Poly plate here, this was normally a 300 by 300 plate. I had to cut it down to 210 to fit on here. The PO Poly sent me a 200 by 200 and a 300 by 300. The 300 by 300, that would have been for the Wanhao D9. Or for a CR10, but yeah, shit happens. But anyway, I'm not sure what's going on there, but that PO Poly plate that does not want to hold anything. So I will have to take that off and change it. And I'm just not sure if I'm going to try another build tack, or I do not know. Would be interesting to know what you use for print surface besides PEI, because I'm not sure about PEI, because every time when you want to print, then you have to put hairspray on it, or you have to use a glue stick. I do not think that's a good idea. I want a print plate on that will work from day 1 till day 100. Who knows? But if you have any ideas, leave a comment below. I would be happy to see some other information. And I do wish you all a nice evening. Take care. Happy printing. Until the next time. Bye.